Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. It's me, Michelle. So today I am going to do a flip through of my Everything About Me planner that I created. I love this planner. I love the way it looks. I am excited to jump into this planner, so we won't belabor the hour too much, and I'll just jump right in. So I got these covers from Amazon from a company called Talia. I'm not sure how you really pronounce it. And they have like a bandage kind of feel to them. So if that bothers you, I would suggest to not get them, but it's okay. And so I got this from Michael's. This was in the cardstock section, and I thought it was so pretty, and I wanted it to be able to have like a cover under the cover for my planner, and I just figured this would be so perfect. It has like that snake skin, croco kind of feel to it, and it's like iridescent. Oh my gosh, I love this so much. So I have this for my cover. Then I have my Miss Maker from Happy Planner. I just like to have her in places. Got this 2022 Vellum Calendar from Paper Trail Designs. And so I made this. I just put consistency because that's my word for the year. And I just printed it on vellum. And this is my actual signature. I printed my name out. And I just have it being clipped together with this clip I got from Hobby Lobby 1,000 years ago. And so then I got this from Pinterest. It's my name, and I printed it on vellum. I just thought it was so pretty. And I made this. This is a goals fold out. So that's how it looks. But I made this. And then I just have some task cards in here. And then I have some cards that I got from Norris Cove in here. I have some task sheets in here that I got there from Cloth and Paper. And then this divider is so pretty. And this comes from Lucy Plans Life. I just love this so much. When I ordered some stuff from the Cloth and Paper Buy Sell Trade group, the young lady sent this to me as extra, and I'm so glad she did. So these dividers are from Cloth and Paper. This first divider is like an inbox section, which I don't know if I'll use it that much in here, but I have it in here just in case. And so it has this clear inbox. And then I have some sticky notes, and I just have white and black, just plain sticky notes. I have some inbox stuff in here just in case I need it. And let's see what else. And I have a task priority matrix. And then I have EO edits, planning routine and planner purge, and then the 2022 holidays that I got. I think I got these from, let me see, Plan with V. That's where the holiday schedule came from. Then I just have this cloth and paper ruler, divider slash marker, and ruler, not marker, but ruler. So mark your pages, but you can use it as a ruler. And this is an Ivy Mill printable, so I just print it on some vellum. And I got this wellness. So the first section is wellness. I got this from um, Etsy. And so it has wellness goals, wellness ideas, and a health and fitness overview, a bucket list, a pampering checklist, daily journal, and I just have a couple of daily journals in here, a weekly journal, and I have all 4 weeks in here because I'll more than likely use the weekly journal, but I have the daily one just in case. And then I have this habit tracker for some self-care habits that I want to keep up with, a sleep tracker on here as well. So I was debating if I want to do a sleep tracker and a mood tracker like this, or track my sleep and my moods on this tracker. But I'm going to try it this way first and then see if I want to like continue on doing it this way. But I'm going to track it this way first and then next month try the other way, see which one I prefer. And then I have a gratitude tracker, a self-care calendar. I don't really believe in all that affirmation stuff, but I have this in here more of just like a reminder of some things to remind myself of. And I have some therapy notes that I got from Peanuts Planner Co. And then I just printed out some extras of these, so I'll just have these for next month. And then I can't remember where I got these from, but I printed this out on this really pretty cardstock. The camera's not picking it up, but it has like a really pretty like grayish purple kind of color. And so my next section is my fitness section, and I have these in here to check for my weight loss. The more weight I lose, I'll use these stickers to track it. And I got this from Happy Planner. And so I got these from Etsy from the same seller that I got the wellness set from. It has 12 months progress. You have a before and after picture. In here, I also put where you can put your measurements. And then you have a weight loss tracker. And then you have January overview, which has goals, what I love most about myself, or what I love about myself, what I want to work on. Then it has like a January calendar. And so I'll probably just like put my workouts on here. And then it has a January review. And you can put a progress picture. How do I feel? How was I successful? And then we have a grocery list. And oh, and it's from Pretty Little Planners Co. And so then I got this from At Home with Kita. This is some menu ideas. So I can kind of like put some ideas down for things to eat. And then I have a weekly food log and exercise log. And I have 4 of these in here. And it has breakfast, lunch, dinner, snacks, exercise. And you could put that in here. And then I have a daily one. And I have a couple in here just to see which one I like the most. And there's a healthy habit tracker that I have in here. And then I have my period tracker in here, which I was debating if I should put that in my wellness, but I think I kept it in here because it has my step tracker on the back. I have a 30-day challenge tracker and a monthly playlist tracker. And so I got this design from off of Pinterest, and I printed it. I didn't let it fully dry, hence why the brown is a little lighter up here. But I just love this, and I printed on pink vellum. Oh my God, it's so pretty. So next is my skincare section. And so I got this from Etsy as well, from Morning Rose Society. And this is the cover of it. So then I have some makeup routine here. It's a routine that I created myself using Happy Planner paper. So I have that in here. And then this came from a different place. So the ones with the blue did not come with the Morning Rose Society kit. But this is your skincare goals in here. And then weekly... Okay. And then it has a weekly beauty routine, product inventory, beauty DIY, a beauty routine, favorite products, beauty wish list, skincare routine, another beauty routine planner. So both of these are beauty routine planners. A skin profile. So this is the set in the blues. This is the main reason I bought that set, because I wanted this skin profile. I have very sensitive skin, so for that. And then it has a 30-day challenge that I want to see how I want to incorporate that. And then it has a skin check-in, which is the second reason I got this. And it has a skincare routine. So I have, I think, one for each week in here. So 2 pages altogether. A product review. And then I just have this cloth and paper divider. And then I have a outfit planning section. And so these came from Peanuts Planner Co. And it's the clothing size log. And then I have got this from Etsy. It says favorite outfits, weekly outfits, wardrobe inventory, and outfit picture board. So I got that from Etsy. And then this came from Plans and Possibilities by on Etsy as well. And so this has my style planner, color palettes, colors and patterns, capsule, closet, wardrobe inventory, weekly outfit planner, size conversion chart, wardrobe repairs, my measurements, and wardrobe wish list. And so I got this as planner on vellum. I got this from Pinterest as well. This is just so cute. I love this so much. And this will be where when I take pictures of my outfits, I will put them in here. So I'll probably like put them where I can do like 4, maybe 6 to a sheet, and they will be put into this section. Next, these dividers came from Martha Stewart. The first section is my chore section. I got this from Pinterest and printed it on some vellum. So this is the cleaning section, the ultimate cleaning planner. I did have some of this filled out already. Cleaning checklist, cleaning schedule, yearly cleaning checklist. Really, this is a deep cleaning checklist for me. Monthly cleaning checklist, weekly cleaning checklist, family chore chart, January cleaning checklist. And then I have winter and spring cleaning checklist, 10-minute tidy. So this is different from this. This all came with one. This is a separate Etsy printable. You got this, so 30-day decluttering challenge. And prep your mind for decluttering. This page is the main reason I got this set. Break down decluttering, monthly cleaning, and cleaning weekly routine. And so this divider, I got this from Pinterest again. I love this. Oh my gosh. And I printed on some like light pale pink, shiny cardstock. But I really love this so much. It's so pretty. So this is my travel section. I got the travel section from Etsy. And this is Way to Plan. So it has a trip overview, activity planner, travel itinerary, daily planner, budget planner, expense tracker, packing list to buy, travel journal, and then this trip planner right here came from Tina's Planner Co. And so I love this logo file, lover of words, called in paper divider, and I like how it matches this quite a bit. And then this is my to read section. So it has a book review, more books read, reading log, bookshelf, reading tracker, another bookshelf. I like it has the stars to rate it. Reading tracker, book series, some more book series printed out on here. Books review, library books. I do go to the library and get books. Book wish list, favorite quotes from books, and let's see. And this wasn't fully dry, so it kind of got on this, and it says pages read. So then this is the white shroot from The Office. I got this, I believe, from Google. It says, before I do anything, I ask myself, would an idiot do that? And if the answer is yes, I do not do the thing. The what? So this is my to watch, and this is just for TV. I don't really watch a lot of like TV. After they took off Supernatural, you know, I was really kind of done at that point. So it's a watch list calendar, a TV show episode tracker, TV shows to watch tracker, TV shows tracker and review, and TV shows tracker, TV shows review, TV shows review. So I'm part of a group called, we do movie reviews from a Christian context, and it's called Real Reviews on YouTube, and I will link the channel down below. So this is us together in in Star Wars fashion, and then this is us together. I printed off too big, so I'm kind of cut off, but I'm right there. And this is us together in Matrix fashion. So this is my movies to watch tracker, and this section really is so I can make sure I'm keeping up with reels, especially for next season. Movies to watch tracker, watch list, movies tracker and review, movies tracker, movie review, and then another movie review. And so then I have a note section here, and I just have some note pages. And then I just have this pocket, which I made with this die cut in here and this paper clip. And then I have this ollie clip, and it matches the covers that I picked right here. So I just have my purple highlighter here and my white Villa Beautiful pen because it goes with the aesthetic of the planner. So this is a full flip through of my new planner. I love this planner so much. I can't wait to start using this planner because it has all the things that I really want to keep track of in here, and I'm super excited about it. Alright, you guys, don't forget to rate this video with a thumbs up. Don't forget to comment down below. Don't forget to subscribe if you haven't, and I'll see you in another video. Peace.